Huawei fans have been waiting for a big upgrade in facial recognition, especially in the upcoming Huawei Pura 90 series. For a long time, rumors suggested that Huawei would finally bring its advanced 3D face recognition technology to this lineup. But now it looks like that upgrade might not happen, at least not this year. According to a new leak from a well-known tipster, the Pura 90 series is expected to skip 3D face recognition once again. Instead, it will likely stick with the same 2D face unlock system that we've seen in previous Pura devices. That means Huawei may continue using a single punch, hole camera design on the front, rather than adding extra sensors needed for more advanced facial scanning. This decision might disappoint some users, especially because Huawei already has powerful 3D face recognition technology in its Mate series. Devices like the Huawei Mate series are known for offering more secure and advanced facial unlocking, which works even in low light conditions. So naturally, many people expected Huawei to bring the same feature to its Pura lineup this time. To understand why this matters, it helps to look at the difference between 2D and 3D face recognition. The current system used in Pura phones is based on 2D face recognition. This method uses the front camera to scan your face like a normal photo. It maps basic features such as your eyes and mouth, and then compares that image to unlock the phone. While this works fine for convenience, it is not the most secure option. In some cases, it can be fooled by a photo or a video of the person. That's where 3D face recognition becomes important. 3D face recognition uses more advanced hardware, including a time-of-flight sensor, often called a TOF camera. This system doesn't just capture a flat image. Instead, it scans the depth and structure of your face. It creates a detailed 3D map, including contours and distances between features. Because of this, it is much harder to trick, and it works better in dark environments. That's why many people consider 3D face recognition to be closer to fingerprint sensors in terms of security. It adds an extra layer of protection, which is especially useful for payments, app locking, and sensitive data. For the past couple of years, there have been repeated rumors that Huawei would bring this advanced feature to its Pura lineup. Each time expectations grew, but the company chose to keep the feature exclusive to its Mate series. Now, it seems like the same strategy will continue with the Pura 90. One possible reason for this decision could be design. Adding 3D face recognition hardware usually requires more space on the front of the phone. This could mean a larger notch or a more complex camera setup. By sticking with a single punch hole design, Huawei can keep the phone looking clean and modern, which is something many users prefer. At the same time, Huawei is not ignoring the technology completely. Reports suggest that the company is working on an even more advanced solution, under-display 3D face recognition. This would allow all the necessary sensors to sit beneath the screen, removing the need for visible cutouts or notches. If Huawei manages to achieve this, it could be a major breakthrough. It would combine high security with a seamless display design, something that many smartphone brands are trying to achieve. There are even suggestions that Huawei could introduce this technology before competitors like Apple. However, there is still no clear timeline for when this under-display 3D face recognition will be ready. It could take time before the technology becomes reliable enough for daily use. So for now, it looks like the Huawei Pura 90 will focus on refining its current design, rather than adding new hardware features in this area. While that may feel like a missed opportunity, it also shows that Huawei is being careful about when and how it introduces major upgrades. In the end, the real question is whether users prefer a cleaner design or stronger security. And Huawei seems to believe that, for now, design simplicity still matters more for the Pura series.